Now, it's important to support and educate the younger and middle-aged population so that they do not become dependent and frail as they grow older. This was the thrust of the Healthier Aging Conference held in Lagos as part of activities to commemorate the 2019 World Older People Day. Abiola Sholanke tells us more.
According to the World Health Organization, almost 700 million people are now over the age of 60. By 2020, 2 billion people representing 20% of the world population will be 60 or older. With this in mind, paying attention to the needs and challenges faced by many older people is clearly required.
Exercise is key. Being physically active is key. Looking out for your diet is key. Screening for cancer, early detection, prevention is key. We've talked about preventing dementia. We've talked about stress management, which is very important in this environment.
Dementia is a disease associated with old people. According to statistics, around 50 million people have dementia, and there are nearly 10 million new cases every year. This disease is characterized by a decline in memory, language, problem solving, and other thinking skills that affect a person's ability to perform everyday activities. Memory loss is an example.
Depression is one of those things in our area because of the stigma here with depression that actually is not recognized early enough, or even when it's recognized, it's hidden. So, and it's important to understand also that because, again, as one gets older, what you find is that people tend to be lonely. It doesn't necessarily mean that they're depressed, but it's important to be able to identify depression and treat depression.
Another challenge faced by the elderly is cancer. Experts explain how this occurs.
Taking preventive steps to remain healthy in an older age. They also need to provide some assistance because as these chronic medical conditions increase, so too do the costs of trying to manage these medical conditions. And I think having some form of financial assistance, insurance, subsidy for our older relatives and colleagues will be very helpful to help them manage and remain healthy as they get older.
Is HPV, that's human papilloma virus. So without the virus, in 99% of time, there is no cancer. So if there's a virus that causes the cancer, and also there are pre-malignant states of the cancer, because the cancer will not just develop. It takes time, and there are some pre-malignant states that you can pick up early. So screening is the key.
We can talk about this later on.
The Healthier Aging Conference with the theme, Intervening Now for Old Age, is to draw attention to those ailments likely to affect older people and create more awareness on prevention as a solution. Abiola Sholanke, TVC News, Lagos.
Dance is a relevant form of art that can at once entertain as